Here we are in the new Asia restaurant in Weston. As you can see, the restaurant is closed. They're just doing something special for me and my little crew. And it is such a warm space. This is a chalkboard. Their menu is extensive, and you know their prices are good. And this is the takeout. You can eat in, or you can take out. And if you have a special order, you can, ask them to do it for you, and they'll do it as well. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you what we order here, and I'm gonna make sure you guys get the rundown on this restaurant. And if it is a good one, if the food is great, I'll let you guys know. But so far the atmosphere is friendly, it's clean. The smells, it smells homely and nice. You guys do sushi, right?
Yes.
They do sushi, they do a little bit of Thai, and they do Chinese, and they do a little bit of Japanese as well. As I said, it's Asian, so they cover right across the spectrum of the Orient. We are at the new Asia restaurant in Weston, Florida, and that's Apple, Jackie, and this is our proprietor, and we have a whole bunch of food right here. And she talks some more about Chinese. And if you're in Weston, this is where you gotta come.
Which is
all
the
right?
new,
it's
new
in Glades Circle, right? Yeah, see? And the food is awesome. Me like what I taste already. This is the orange chicken or something.
Which orange chicken is not that?
Yeah, good.
Let's give it a chance. Oh, so I will be the star.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
You can do two of them.
And she want noga bowl, eh? And this spicy.
Right?
And this is Mongolian
Oh, it's
beef.
supposed to be 1 minute.
What's this one?
Genital chicken.
Okay.
It's our favorite.
And this one is
It's a special order with the chicken wing spice.
spicy chicken wings cut up with red chili and thing and the rice. Them get rice and so my rice, me not get no rice.
See right here?
No more than my own rice.
No, you don't need
This
no
is
more
your
rice.
own
I'm only for
rice.
rice because she's not running
It's not my own rice.
You're too greedy.
No matter what, no worry about
No,
it.
how many you want? I can give you more.
Exactly, but you don't want.
So let's take a quick look at what we ordered. The first thing we had was some really spicy chicken wings. It was awesome, and this was done to order. Apple ordered this noodle bowl with a little bit of pork, extremely spicy, with cashew and vegetables, the bomb. And of course, we can't do without the General Chow chicken. It was very nice, fresh and crispy. And we also had this beautiful plate of Mongolian beef. The onions were just nice and juicy. Everything was beautiful, guys. See,
No, we don't have to
hold on, I'm posting. You're brown lady, I'm posting.
No,
so we done off the food them, and
And
she
when you
drink
stop
the whole of the pepper something there, and now we have tea and the noodle and this nice little pot. If you
Oh
want
my God. It is
Japanese,
hot.
Chinese tea, it is so
No, it's
nice.
oolong.
Oolong tea, and we never have it with no sugar.
It is just like warm water
The
actually.
restaurant is so nice, guys. The food tastes good, yeah. Lord help me, Jesus. Me say the food nice bad. So una have to go come over here come near me. Yes, if you guys are in Western. And just take a look at some of the awesome dishes that are available at the new Asian restaurant. Yeah, take a look. So join me again for another restaurant review, guys. I definitely recommend the New Asia restaurant in Weston. As you know, Chinese restaurants goes, this one is a step above the ordinary. And not because I was introduced to the management personally, I'm endorsing it because I really enjoyed the food. Go on out to Glade Circle, 2600 Glade Circle in Weston. Check them online on Instagram, on Facebook. New Asia Restaurant. Peace and blessings.